Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team. The disclaimer for this podcast is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. So it's very important to understand the Nifty's chart, how the Nifty is playing out while looking at its price volume action, and also we need to monitor moving averages as well to gauge the market. Currently, for the last 1 week or so, 2 weeks, Nifty has been trading near its 50 DMA, which is red line here. And it has found very good support, and it has, however, in the last week, Nifty 50 DMA was breached. However, the decline was not much higher. There were a few instances of distribution days as well recently. However, one was expired last week as well. So, however, on net basis, we are at a distribution day count of 6, slightly elevated, but still Nifty is trading near 50 DMA. So, we are still waiting. If the 50 DMA is not reclaimed, or if Nifty gives one more distribution day or two, then we might consider changing the market status to downtrend. Downtrend is where our additions, fresh additions to model portfolio are not done. Only existing portfolio will be monitored very closely. If there is any weakness in the existing portfolio stocks, we'll consider exiting them or booking profits or booking losses as well. Currently, Nifty is trading very close to its 50 DMA. Yesterday, that is on Friday, it was 10 points or very close to 50 DMA. It closed. So 21 DMA is also very close to its 50 DMA. So currently, in the today's trading session, if the Nifty reclaims this 50 DMA and sustains above that 50 DMA, then it's a very positive sign. We might see some sideways movement from there, and if the market or overall economy turns positive or good, then definitely we might see fresh highs. That is Nifty touching 20,000. On the downside, 100 DMA and 200 DMA are still holding. So these levels can act as support on the downside for the market. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar during the trading session are first is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its managing director and CEO Uday Kotak has resigned from the company effective from September 1st. This is 3 months ahead of the schedule. Now he will be a non-executive director for the company. Hindalco has entered into an share agreement to purchase nearly 26% stake in 7 renewable power company, which is into renewable space. Biocon's subsidiary, that is Biocon Generics, has acquired a pharma company in New Jersey. This is a oral solid dosage manufacturing facility for a consideration amount of $7.7 million. GMR Power's subsidiary GMR Smart Electricity has received a letter of award from the Purvanchal Vidyut Vitran Nigam to implement a smart metering project system in the Purvanchal, that is in Uttar Pradesh. The overall consideration for this contract is about 5,122 crores of rupees. And auto companies have come up with their numbers for the August month. We have already mentioned a few of the companies in the Friday's mailer, but a few other companies such as Hero Motocorp has come up with their numbers. For the month of August, the company has reported a growth of 5.6%, and it has dispatched nearly 4.9 lakh units in the month of August. Within the sales, domestic sales grew nearly 4.9%, and exports on the other side jumped 32%. But on the absolute number, domestic still is almost 90% of the sales are from domestic market. Still, there is a lot of scope for the exports. Eicher Motors, that is Royal Enfield's manufacturer, has come up with the numbers for the August. the company has numbers have grown 11% year-on-year basis to 77,000 units, and this came above analyst expectations, a very positive sign. Within these numbers, exports increased 13% to 8,000 units. So overall, exports are both the companies have done very good on the exports front, even though the magnitude of exports is on the lower side, but export growth is higher when compared to the domestic market. Friday or night, US market closed in the flat to positive territory. You can see Dow Jones and S&P closed with a gain of 0.2 to 0.3%, and Nasdaq closed pretty much on the flat note. Asian markets, as we speak, are trading in the positive territory. You can see Kospi is trading 0.3%, and Nikkei is trading 0.6% higher, whereas the Shanghai Composite is trading nearly 1.1% higher. So Asian market is trading on the higher, the positive territory with a good global view for the Indian markets. GIFT Nifty index is also indicating a positive opening for the Indian market around 19,500. That is above 50 DMA, very positive sign. If that is sustained, then we might see Nifty holding 50 DMA, and a very good support at 50 DMA will act as a very positive sign. On the other side, mid cap and small caps stocks are doing very good. So our Modo portfolio will also do good when the Nifty 50 DMA is held for the Nifty. Latent View is the chart of the day. Currently, it has broken out from its very long consolidation base, almost a period of 1 year. It has traded very volatilely within the base, but the volumes during the base formation have dried up completely, very positive side. And during the right side of the base, volumes have increased, a very good sign. And breakout has also happened on a very strong note. Ratings wise, TPS is looking very good at 82, but price strength is slightly on the lower side at 66. But if you look at the RS line, it is trending higher, and it has also formed blue dots a couple of times, a very positive sign. A by D rating, accumulation and distribution day rating is very good at A. That is majorly because most of the blue bars are above average and red bars are below average. That is the reason A by D rating is very good. Number of funds under the key parameter has been very strong for the company, even though the magnitude number of funds is on the lower side, but there is good amount of growth in the increase in number of funds, a very positive side. Overall, it is looking very good, but currently it is trading above the ideal buy range, so it's not advised to initiate position at the extended range. But if you are looking for fresh additions, you can consider this. And if there is any small pullback and if it comes back to the pivot range, then you can consider this stock for addition to your portfolio. Thanks for joining today's people. Have a good trading session.